Can't tell you how many times I've dreamed of that. But one of these days, we'll find a way to get it back on the map.
Yeah. Hey, listen, thanks for the drive. Had a great time. It's kind of nice to slow down every once in a while.
You're welcome.
Hey, listen, if anybody asks you, we was out smashing mailboxes, okay?
What?
Oh, man, the paint's still wet!
No, get out of the store! Hey, don't eat the radio! Here, take the snow tires.
Mater, I was attacking Tiffin! Then where did all these gold dirt treasures come from?
Hey guys, there's one going this way. I got it.